Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix auto correct keyboard not working on iPhone after the new iOS update. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If you are facing this issue, if your iPhone is autocorrect is not working on your iPhone keyboard, try these steps to fix this issue. Number one is check auto correction settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on keyboard. Simply tap on auto correction settings. If toggle turn it off, simply toggle turn it on and fix your problem. If already on, simply disable and re-enable again and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issues and fix your iPhone autocorrect keyboard not working problem. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and turn off iPhone and turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check for software update. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is reset all settings and fix your problem. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset. Tap on reset, reset all settings to confirm and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check for conflicts with other apps. If you have recently installed a new app, try deleting it to see it if resolve the issue. Simply delete the app and reinstall again and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is clear history and website data. Simply tap on settings, little bit scroll up again and tap on Safari, little bit scroll up again and tap on clear history and website data. Clear all history and website data and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is check for physical damage or screen issue. Ensure your iPhone screen is free from damage or dirts. If screen is damaged, now visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer and fix your problem. If screen is not damaged, simply contact with support.apple.com and reboot your iOS device and fix your problem. Press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely turned on and rebooted, your problem is fixed. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix autocorrect keyboard not working on iPhone. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.